Find the error in the simplifying problem below. Explain the error and then simplify the expression correctly. So this process can be kind of tough because it can be hard to find our mistakes sometimes, and sometimes it's harder even to find mistakes in someone else's work. So let's think about this problem. We know that we've got to be thinking about order of operations. Chances are when there's mistakes either with an operation sign or with following the order of operations themselves. So let's come over here and just jot down the order of operations just to help, use this to help kind of guide us through this problem. So we have 4 times 2 squared minus 3. So in this problem they took 4 times 2 is 8. 8 squared is 64, and 64 minus 3 is 61. So we might at first look at that and say, well, I don't see the issue with that. But let's come back and check our order of operations. Were there any parentheses? No, so that was fine. Were there any exponents? Yes. Did they do the exponent first? No. They did multiplying before they did the exponent. So that's where the problem is. It's right here. This step is incorrect right there. So what we're going to do is let's come back and work the problem correctly. So 4 times 2 squared minus 3. We know that we need to do exponents first before we multiply. So we're going to take 2 to the second power, which gives us 4. And let's bring down the rest of the problem here. 4 times 4 minus 3. Now we can do our multiplying. 4 times 4 is 16 minus 3. And 16 minus 3 is 13. So that should be our correct answer right there. Always be careful. Don't just presume to go left to right through the problem. Be sure you're working the order of operations correctly.